YouTube. So in this little video, this is going to be a bit different from any other videos that I've done on the channel. This is sort of like a vlog slash first impressions slash unboxing. It's not a review though, but I do want to go and hurry up and pick up Zara's Vibrant Leather Cologne before Zara closes. They close at 9, just got off at 7, so I got plenty of time to head over there to the fashion show mall and go ahead and pick this up. I did call the number that's on the website to that store directly to make sure that they actually have it in stock. The girl did let me know that they actually got a new shipment of those fragrances in yesterday, so I'm gonna definitely go and pick it up. It's about $29 for it, so I'm trying to pick that up ASAP. All right, so I'll let you all know how the rest of it goes. I am also gonna shoot just a quick little unboxing video just within the car or whatnot, and then I'm gonna shoot another video of just how it performs pretty much tomorrow. All right, so I'll see y'all later. All right, YouTube here. So I did go ahead and pick up the Vibrant Leather Cologne from Zara. It was about a little bit over $30 something, whatever, after taxes. So really happy with that for a 4-ounce bottle. That's pretty good. Hopefully the performance on this fragrance is pretty good. I mean, I heard it has been. I've heard that it's better than Dior Cologne, which is pretty much the fragrance that, you know, it's sort of emulating. So I'll let you know about that later. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go home first before I open this bottle and spray it, and actually wash off. On my way out, I actually went through, I believe it was Neiman Marcus, and they had a bunch of little tester bottles of, Chanel fragrances, Creed, MFK, Tom Ford. So I tried a lot of fragrances that I've never smelled before, like the original version. And I have to say that I am really, really underwhelmed with the smells of these original fragrances that I've smelled, like clones or copies of. The clones, in my opinion, are better quality. Well, I won't say better quality. What I'll say is they seem to have a much more pronounced smell. So, they're stronger, and they seem to have better projection from what I can tell. Like, especially when it came to, I smelled the Aqua Celestia from MFK. And, if any of you all know, Deep Blue is the clone or copy of that particular fragrance. After smelling the MFK version, I mean, you could smell it, but it didn't have anywhere near the amount of strength that the Alexandria version has, which was pretty underwhelming. I mean, it definitely had like this really nice, pleasant, natural smell to it. But at the same time, Alexandria, in my opinion, still smells pretty natural. It's just a lot stronger. The other fragrance that I was pretty underwhelmed by was the Chanel Allure Homme. Sensual Obsessions version of that, to me, is a lot better. It's definitely, it seemed to be a lot stronger, but just the overall smell, in my opinion, it smelled a lot better. So again, that's just my opinion. So, I mean, at the end of the day, in my opinion, clones are sort of the way to go. I guess with technology and stuff like that now, these clones are getting so good now that they're in a lot of ways becoming better than the fragrances that they're trying to emulate. So that's pretty shocking, to be honest with you. Again, that's just my opinion, but I'm happy with, making some of these clone purchases, especially based on the way that, some of these original fragrances smell. All right. So again, I'm gonna do the unboxing video, my first impressions once I go home and wash all these fragrances off of me. I sprayed a bunch of fragrances on cards, but I've sprayed like Bleu de Chanel, Eau de Toilette, and Parfum on both hands. I got like Creed Viking and Bois de Portugal on like my arm. I've got all kinds of fragrances all over me right now. All right, so I'll see y'all when I get home. All right, everybody, so I'm back at home here. I do have my bottle of Vibrant Leather Cologne by Zara. All right, and that's pretty much what the front of the box looks like. It sort of has like this picture of, it looks like, you know, almost like a ocean. You've got like this really large wave coming in. So that's pretty much what it looks like from what I can see. And then on the back here, you've got Vibrant Leather Cologne. Then it's got some other stuff written on there. What does it say? It says inspired by the sparkling and dynamic atmosphere of New York's sunrise. So pretty much just gonna do a quick little unboxing here and first impressions. Definitely make sure when you take this bottle out of the box here that you're not, you know, pulling it out by the cap, because the cap will just come just right off. This is not a fragrance that you can sort of pick up by the cap, because you see here, comes right off. All right, so bottle, from what I can see, it looks just like the other Vibrant Leather fragrance by Zara. And the only other one that I know of is like the one that's supposed to be like their interpretation of Creed Aventus. So pretty much it looks exactly the same here. Only difference is it has cologne in blue letters, and then, you know, you've got the blue little stem here for the sprayer. Then it says Zara in blue on the top of the cap. All right, so as far as first impression sprays go, when you spray this on, this smells like a really like ice cold glass of lemonade, I would say, but also maybe mixed in with a little bit of ginger as well. And based on the description on the front of this box, what this box says here is Vibrant Leather Cologne is full of energy. This fragrance starts with an effervescent accord of ginger and mandarin surrounded by an elegant floral bouquet and heart and sensual blend in base. So according to the description on this box, this fragrance obviously has mandarin and ginger in it. If you go on Fragrantica.com, they have the notes listed as bergamot, ginger, and cedar. To my nose, I mean, it does smell like there is some sort of combination of probably like lemon, bergamot, mandarin, and ginger, I would say. And then, you know, once this dries down, which I've got like a 3-hour dry down or so of it right here, definitely it smells sort of woody and spicy a little bit. I would say you get a little bit of mandarin for sure, but it's very faint. And you're starting to get more of like the woodier aspect of the fragrance, along with, you know, like I said, it's still slightly spicy. But this stuff really smells really refreshing. Like I said, it really smells like just a cold glass of, you know, just lemonade, like it really does. And that was the vibe that I really wanted to, you know, get with this particular fragrance. So I'm very happy with that. I will be doing sort of like my overall impressions of the fragrance tomorrow, because I do plan to kind of take this fragrance out on a test drive. So I'm going to spray this fragrance on tomorrow, go on a hike, and let you all know how this performs on the hike. So it's supposed to be over 100 degrees tomorrow. I'm gonna hike up a mountain and just see if this is able to withstand, you know, me sweating going up a mountain in 100-degree weather. So we'll see. All right. So I will see you all tomorrow. All right, YouTube, so I'm about a third of the way up this mountain or whatnot. Not all the way up. As a matter of fact, you can see that is not the top. You can't see the top from here. But I am pretty high up. You can see it's a pretty nice view. Strip is back there in the background. But anyway, it's been about an hour or so, and I honestly can say that I don't smell this fragrance on me anymore, unfortunately. You know, I went about 9 sprays or so, which I thought was pretty sufficient even for a light fragrance. And I would say even pretty much before I got out the car, this was pretty much gone. So not really impressed at all with the performance. I love the smell of this stuff, especially when you first spray it on, but so far this has not been performing on me too great. So I won't completely write it off. I'm gonna wear it a few more times here to see how it does, but so far an hour of longevity and like maybe a couple of minutes of projection, not really that good. Not good at all. All right, so I gotta get ready to head back on down here, and I will see you all when I get back home. All right, y'all. So again, I'm heading back home here, and I did actually smell my arm again as I was coming back down, and I could smell it slightly on my arm, but nothing to really be excited about. I don't think anybody else would really be able to smell this on me as far as any type of meaningful sillage. So like I said, hasn't been the best performing fragrance so far. What I do want to do though in future videos is take some of my so-called beast mode summer fragrances, and I want to take them up here and see if they can survive a hike up the mountain in 100-degree weather, as long as it remains to be that hot. That is. So if you all want to see that, let me know, and I will definitely start making more videos like this. All right, see y'all at home. All right, everybody, so I'm back at home here. Sprayed the fragrance on maybe about, I don't know, almost 2 hours ago or so, and I do still get really light projection out of it at this point at 2 hours or almost 2 hours. I mean, I guess that's not really too bad, you know, especially for a really light scent like this. The main thing though is the fact that I had to spray this fragrance on this time, after I came home and took a shower and reapplied it, sprayed it on me 16 times. So I just pretty much, I doubled up on the sprays. For each area that I was spraying this on, I just sprayed it on there twice. So I mean, 16 sprays, that's a lot, you know, especially for a fragrance, at least for me. But you know, I am still getting nice little wafts of it here and there. Like I said, the projection on it isn't too crazy. Really light, really subtle. But I would say that so far it is maybe performing a little bit better than the Guerlain L'Homme EDL cologne, you know, from Guerlain. So that's a plus, you know, at least for me. So that's pretty much, man, that's my first impressions take on Vibrant Leather Cologne by Zara. It is a solid fragrance, especially for the price, $29. You know, you really can't beat that price, you know, especially for a 4.2 ounce bottle. So definitely go and check it out. See if your local Zara has the fragrance. If they do, just pick it up, man, especially if you live in a hot climate like I do, where, you know, you can definitely still get several more months usage out of it. Definitely go and pick it up. All right, so that's Jamar here, Vegas Scents. I'll see you on the next video.